This guide walks you through the process of configuring an OpenID Connect (OIDC) application in Axiom Protect, managing roles and scopes, and logging in as a user with these configurations. The process includes creating and managing applications, assigning roles and scopes, and performing a seamless OIDC login. To begin, navigate to the Applications section in Axiom Protect and select the option to add a new application. Choose Single Sign-On as the method and proceed to the next step. Under Sign-On Methods, select OIDT and proceed to create a new OIDC application. Enter the application's name, select a policy, and upload the application's logo for identification. Once these details are filled out, proceed to finalize the creation. The application is successfully added, and now it is time to configure its OpenID settings. In the configuration phase, specify the OIDC application type, the sign-in redirect URLs, the sign-out redirect URL, and the token endpoint authentication method. If needed, you can add custom claims by providing a claim key. These claims can be added, edited, or deleted as required. Once the OpenID configuration is complete, the application is fully operational. If needed, you can return to the application settings to add new resources. In the Application Service Providers section, add a service provider by filling in details like the service provider name. After submission, open the service provider details from the list to view application names and scopes. You can add additional application names and scopes, along with their descriptions, and save these changes.
Back in the Applications section, select the newly created application's name to access its details. Under the Roles tab, you can add roles by selecting the desired roles via checkboxes and submitting the changes. Similarly, under the Scopes tab, view the supported scopes for the application. To create and manage user roles, navigate to the Users section under Roles. Add a new role by providing a role name and selecting a user role policy. If the policy requires editing, click the eye icon to make changes. Once the role is created, return to the application and assign the role under the Roles tab by selecting it from the list. You can delete roles by clicking the delete icon, but keep in mind that roles with no assigned users will show a user count of 0. To assign applications to specific users, go to the Users tab. Search for a user by their email address and assign them the application. You can also manage user roles by clicking the plus icon, selecting new roles from the list, and submitting the changes. Similarly, you can manage user scopes by adding new scopes through checkboxes and saving the updates.
Once the OIDC application and user roles are configured, users can log into the application with their credentials. Upon entering the credentials, they will be prompted to click Continue to authenticate through the OID process. If roles and scopes are configured correctly, the user's access and permissions will align with the roles and scopes assigned during the application setup. By following these steps, you can configure and manage an OIDC application in Axiom Protect effectively. The platform offers flexibility to define roles, assign scopes, and manage users seamlessly. With proper configuration, users can log in securely, leveraging the power of OIDT for authentication and role-based access management. This ensures a streamlined and secure experience for administrators and users alike.